Hello and thank you for joining us for this video for MSA Training and Professional Development, where we will go over our partnership with Ed2Go and how we can access and complete the online introductory courses that we offer in conjunction with Ed2Go. So let's get started. What we're looking at here is the Classroom student landing page. Once you have created an account, selected your course, made payment of your course, and been sent out your course confirmation email. You'll simply click on the link that is sent out in your course confirmation email to be able to access this page once you have entered and created a password for yourself. So let's get started and have a look at the front page here and navigate around a little bit to see what we can do within Ed2Go. At the top here, we have our home button. If we click on this, we can go back to the home of the online courses that we offer here at MSA Training and Professional Development with Ed2Go. We can have a look at the different feature courses and the course categories. If we go back, we can go back to our content landing page here. We can view the catalog in more detail. Underneath here, we can see any of the upcoming courses that we have enrolled into or any of the previous courses that we have completed. You can also search for courses here by typing in the course name that you're interested in looking at and just hitting the search button. But let's now have a look at our active course that we have available, creating mobile apps with HTML5. You can enter in your orientation, report, and we can enter in this course. So let's have a look at the orientation. We have a brief orientation message here, getting started, description requirements, course mechanics, questions, reminder, syllabus, and instructor, all the information in regards to this course. We have a progress report. We have not submitted anything yet with this course, so this will be coming up blank, but as soon as you've started submitting stuff and undertaking this course, you'll see a progress report here of everything that you've done. So let's get into the actual course here. So if we go back to our main page, if we hit enter for our active courses, this will open up the new tab where we will be able to see all of the information in regards to our course. We can look at our learning path here and getting started. We have our course overview, syllabus, and navigating the course activity. This goes through all of the different options and functions for you within Ed2Go and how to actually navigate the course. We have the syllabus. These are the different lessons we will be going over. Think of it as your timetable for this course. And we have our course overview. Basically what we're hoping to achieve from the course we are studying. So that's our getting started. We then have our pre-tests that we can go through to test ourselves on this subject. We then have all of the lessons that are available to us. Each of the lessons, when you open them up, will have your chapters, your FAQs, your assignments, and your quiz. We then also have supplementary material here and a discussion area where you can discuss with other students who are undertaking the same course with you what you've just learned in this first lesson. We can then go down and have a look at lesson 2. Same setup as lesson 1. And this will continue all the way down until your last lesson. You then have different resources that are available for you. Recommended books. Course index. And finally, where you will upload your final exam. Please note, with these online courses, we do not provide online certificates. Rather, what you will receive is, you will receive your certificate mailed out to you via the mailing postal address you provided us with during enrollment, and we release all certificates based on an intake level. So you won't get your certificate as soon as you've completed your final exam. We wait until all of the people within the same intake that you are in. So for example, I am in the October 16th to the 6th of December intake. 1 week after this ends is when we will start printing and sending out all of the certificates for all of the students who have enrolled in the courses within these intakes. Now this will be multiple courses. It won't just be creating mobile apps via HTML. It will be for every course that is listed within this catalog here at Ed2Go because they are all done via intakes. So what will happen is all the certificates will be printed and mailed out to you in hard copy via the postal address you provided us with during enrollment once you have finished your intake and once the required, leeway period has obviously completed. So this is usually a week after this end date, that is when we will then start processing your certificates for you. I hope this has been a beneficial tutorial for you. If you do have any further questions in regards to Ed2Go and how to actually contact Ed2Go, you can do this through going into Enter, into your course if you are having more issues still, and going down to Student Support down here. You can enter in an inquiry here and submit a message. If it is something that Ed2Go can address directly, they will respond to you directly. Otherwise, they will forward it to us here at MSA Training and Professional Development, and we will respond to your inquiry as soon as we can. Thank you again for joining us for this video, and we hope you enjoy your learning journey here with us at MSA Training and Professional Development and Ed2Go.